Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word deplatform. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. In response to concerns about hate speech, the social media platform decided to deplatform the controversial user, effectively banning them from the platform. Deplatform means to remove or ban someone from a social media or online platform due to their controversial or offensive views or behavior. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.